YHWH, bless you, keep you. YHWH, make his face to shine upon you. YHWH, bless you, keep you. YHWH, be gracious to you. YHWH, lift up his countenance upon you and give you shalom. Give you shalom. His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. YHWH, lift up his countenance upon you and give you shalom. Give you shalom. YHWH, bless you and keep you. YHWH, make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you.